But let's say if you knock out an entire MCC, which is one level above this distribution board, then you're taking out multiple motors. Some of these motors can be part of critical processes. And if we go even one level above that, at the low voltage switchgear level, and you lose the entire switchgear, then you're entering a dangerous zone. Why? Because the switchgear is probably feeding multiple MCCs, and each MCC, let's say hypothetically, is feeding 10 motors, and this switchgear is feeding 5 MCCs, then you potentially have 50 motors out of service. So with this logic, you can see that generally speaking, critical assets are at the medium voltage or the high voltage level. Sometimes your low voltage equipment distribution boards can also be classified as critical assets depending on the loads that they're serving. And that's the reason why when we have some critical loads in the form of control power, data centers, communication equipment, we generally back it up by means of a UPS or an emergency generator, and sometimes a combination of the two. So I'm not saying that the low voltage distribution, low voltage equipment, low voltage assets are not critical. It's just that losing a medium voltage or high voltage asset typically results in a greater collateral damage.